My first laptop was probably weighed 2 kilos. So heavy. It's up now. Christine. Hi there, my name is Tess, and if you reach this portion of this video, thank you for sticking up till the end, and I hope I could ask you to stay a little bit more so I could explain what is this channel is all about. As you can see in the title, I'm a recycled teenager, but I'm not a teenager anymore. I'm way past that. But what I'm doing is I'm trying to do the things that I wish I did when I was younger. And this channel is actually more like a practice for me to at least hone my skills, not just in filmmaking or speaking public, but also some of the things that I said that I wanted to accomplish, and I can become a better version of myself. So, if you've seen in my past videos, I was just chatting all the time, telling you what I have done. Basically, like when I was traveling, when I'm hiking, or when I'm taking my son to school. But everything changed because of the COVID-19. So in the past 4 months, I didn't really do any filming, and most of the time we just stayed in our pajama. And then at one point, I actually started filming. At first, I thought just great film practice and not worry about what I look like, or not put on makeup or anything like that. And I still think I should do that, like be more natural. But then I remember, what if one day when I'm watching myself and actually I don't like what I look like, and then end up deleting it, you know? So I'm making it a point that at least do my hair and wear something nicer, not a pajama or anything like that. However, if I'm filming my routine, like you might see me in my pajamas and t-shirt, and I think that's okay. And as for the theme of my video, I've changed it from vlogging type to a silent movie, and it seems like that fits me. Then I don't have to do so much editing, and I don't have to talk too much, and I'll probably not use much of music background because it takes a lot of time just to select what type of music. So one step at a time. Well, thank you very much. And this is getting long. I don't want to bore you anymore. And hopefully that you will visit me again and check up on me. And I hope that um, if you see any flaw, things like that, just be mindful that I'm just a student. I'm not an expert. And this idea that I have are not actually original. So I'm just basically copying what other people that's already done and making it, and just to see if I can do it or not. So without further ado, I wanted to say goodbye for now and be safe and take care.